In this video, we will explore the results and history panels. Once you run a query, Cohort Discovery checks each connected dataset in real time. Results update from pending to account as each data source responds. For each dataset, you can see the name, total number of matching records, the custodian name, and the custodian network. Click any dataset name to open it in a new tab and explore it in more detail, including population size, geographic coverage, and data visualizations. Navigating back to the Cohort Discovery tool. Now let's look at query history. This tab shows all your past queries, with their name, date, status, and total records. Expand any past query to see the full breakdown by dataset. Use the icons on the right to rerun, edit, download, or delete a previous query. To view a specific past query in more detail, expand it to open the full query in a new tab. Query history keeps all your work organized and easy to revisit.